Hello everyone, welcome to the Engr.Muhammad YouTube channel. We are at Expo Center Lahore for a solar exhibition. Or right now we are at a stall. There is Chint inverters and energy solar panels. We are with Jay-Z. She is the director sales in Chint inverter. और basically पाकिस्तान में चंद फेमस नाम हैं इन्वर्टर्स में लाइक हवावे, 2 वाट, सोलिस, गुडवी, बट सभी में एक बड़ा कंपैटिबल नेम है, एक बहुत अच्छा नेम है विच इज चिंट. चिंट इज ऑन बाय चिंट ग्रीन एनर्जी. और हम बात करेंगे, डिस्कशन करेंगे कि व्हाई चिंट इन्वर्टर. आई हियर दैट देयर इज मोर देन 50% इन्वर्टर्स इन यूएसए. सिर्फ चिंट के ऑलमोस्ट 50% इन्वर्टर्स यूएसए में है. सो बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है. चिंट जो कि नाउ इन्वर्टर्स बनाता है, सोलर पैनल्स भी बनाता है और अदर इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस और इंस्टॉलेशन एक्सेसरीज भी बनाता है. सो अ बिग कंपनी. सो वी विल टॉक टू हर एंड आस्क हर, tell the people that why they choose Chint. What makes it different from the other inverters?
Actually, our company was established in 2009 and over 16 years history on the market. And for the first few years, our main market was focusing on the US market. You know that US is a technology-based market, and after that, we started to develop the inverter for the US market. And also now we have the IEC certified product for the Pakistan market. And also we bring all our product series, including the solar inverter and also the ESS product, including the hybrid inverter and the battery, CNI ESS, and also container size ESS product. Because our good quality and good brand reputation on the market, we got a lot of orders from the local customers, and I think in future we will do better on the market, and we will get more the brand reputation and more market share in this market.
So what are the range of the inverters you are offering in Pakistan, starting from how much kilowatt to end? What about the on-grid inverters and hybrid inverters? Both are available in Pakistan?
Yes, for the on-grid inverter, our main product will be the 10 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt three-phase, and also the 50, 60, and 125 kilowatt for the CNI project. And also we can offer 350 kilowatt for the utility scale project. For the ESS, we have the partners to sell our hybrid single phase 6 kilowatt together with the battery 5 kilowatt hour. We give the integrated solution, and also three phase we supply with 10, 12, 15, and 20 kilowatt hybrid inverter and also the battery. For CNI ESS, we supply with 125 kilowatt with 261 kilowatt hour all-in-one solution. And also container size we can customize for customer, including the PCS, the battery, and also the EMS.
One last but very important question. What about the prices? Are they compatible with the Growatt, Goodby or Solution inverters?
I think the most advantage is our product reliability. Yeah, we got a lot of installation in Pakistan market, and also the quality has been certified by the market and also by the customer. So also our hybrid system, we installed a lot in the market last year, and also now a lot of customer coming for us to check the product and to get order. So I think we are technology based and also the quality based company, and we also have our local after sales center in Lahore, and we have our own technology team to support our customer to solve all the after sales issues, and we will replace the inverter if any quality issues. So I think the service is also an important reason that we win this market.
What about the warranty? Just one question. What about the warranty? Is it a 5-year replacement warranty?
Yeah. 5 years replacement warranty for on-grid inverter and hybrid inverter. And also we can extend to 10 years if customer requests. And for the ESS, we offer 3 years standard warranty for the whole system and 5 years warranty for the PCS and battery. Yeah.
So that was a brief introduction about the Chint inverters. They are equally good. In fact, they have a greater market share in USA. They are equally good like Growatt, Goodwe, Solis. And they are offering not only 5 years replacement warranty but 10 years replacement warranty as well. They have their service center in Lahore, easily approachable, and बहुत अच्छा इन्वर्टर है. Especially when you are going with the Energy solar panels, then you must go with Chint inverter as well. But it is equally compatible with the other available solar panels. Thank you very much for being with us,
Thank you,
and
thank
very
you.
nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
thank you.
Thank you.